Hey y'all, guess where I've been? Open up my thrift store. I just happened to drive by and I seen all the cars out there. I was super excited. Y'all know I have not been to a thrift store in I don't know how long. I got my sidekick here. And we want to welcome you to
If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it.
And I'm Kel.
I'm Ariana.
My goddaughter. And we about to show y'all what we went and picked up. So let's get into it. I have been on the hunt for a nice white teapot. Isn't this adorable? And this was 99 cents. Hope you can see the price. 99 cents. Fabulous. Is going to go great if you remember my tall white pitcher that I got from Walmart and the platter. Oh, I can't wait to display this for y'all. So, I finally got me a nice teapot. Isn't this pretty? We may have tea with this. We'll have our little Sunday brunch and we'll have tea with this.
But we'll have to be really careful because it's glass.
Yes. Okay, next we found, oh my God, I totally forgot about this. Beautiful tray with the nice lid, and I paid $1.49. You can see that, $1.49. And actually, you can also use this lid if you have like a little smaller container that I've been seeing like in the different stores to put like cheese and different type of cheeses and stuff underneath. Yeah,
chocolate covered strawberries.
Yes, we can lay this all around. So $1.49, great find. Yeah. Oh, and I forgot about this. So I think I got 2 of these. So I thought these were so pretty. These were, you can lift one up. These were these were only 49 cents. You can see the price. And the embellishment on here, it reminds me of, I wish I had these for the lace tablescape. But you see the details in these?
It's like for like a china shop.
Yeah, and then I can actually, thinking about using one, you know, on our table for little tiny hors d'oeuvres. You name it, this will go great. So we found these for 49 cents?
I think so.
Show them yours.
I don't know if I can see it.
Yeah, 49 cents. So great find. Like I said, it's a small haul, but I found some fabulous stuff that day. And I got a 3-piece, I would say a condiment tray. 3-piece. Got your face. And this was 99 cents. You can see the price on it.
It's
very nice.
It's like for like when like little sauces for like coating chicken and stuff.
Right, or we'll set it out on the patio and you can have like your pickles in here, your olives, or we can use it for taco night. She can have her cheese, her lettuce, and tomatoes. However, you know, we choose to use it, but this was a great find in 99 cents. It does have a little bit of chip on it, but it's still a great find. Okay, lastly, I got a 4-piece plates. Look at the indentation on this. This is where you would sit your little dipping sauce inside of here. And this is kind of like, you know, movie night or whatever. But I got four $1.99. And I'm not sure what the name is on the back. It has a big G. If anybody knows what that symbol may be, drop me down in the comments and let us know. But I just thought these were totally different. And they're heavy, of course. And they have a nice print going around. But I liked it for the part that since she's here for the summer, she can put her little dipping cup in there, and like when she has her french fries and stuff, and when we're sitting outside, this will be great for her lunch or her dinner. So I'm just double checking everything to make sure that I showed you all the stuff. Like I said, this is a very small haul. I had just ran in, you know, to see what they had, and they were saying, "Kel, where you been?" And I said, "Well, y'all, I didn't even know that y'all were open." Come to find out, they were opening later, you know, in the day, which I'm glad, because I don't have enough room. I don't know how many times I have to keep telling y'all that, but I was just so happy to find a little bit of stuff that I did find. So we hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give us a
big thumbs up, comment down below,
and don't forget to
subscribe.
And as I always say,
if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it.
We love y'all, and y'all take care, and we'll see you in the next Thrift Store Thursday video is back. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.